Spirit, Inspector, and Lancer, and Falcon, Cobra, and Corsair, and Tomcat, and Talon. But do you recall the most famous airplane of all? Warthog, the ugly airplane, had a very shiny nose, and if you ever saw it, you would even say it glows. All of the other airplanes used to laugh and call him names. They never let poor Warthog join in any Air Force games. Then one sandy desert storm, George Bush came to say, "Warthog, with your nose so bright, won't you kill some tanks tonight?" Then how the Air Force loved him as he shouted out, "You're great, Warthog, the ugly airplane. You'll be here to 2028. Desert storm, George Bush came to say, "Warthog, with your nose so bright, won't you kill some tanks tonight?" Then how the Air Force loved him as they shouted out, "You're great, Warthog, the ugly airplane. You'll be here to 2028.